Hello guys, we are here to present about the peer-to-peer connection using Manriba operating system via cross cable. So this is the Manriba environment. This is the network status. Is not connected. And the cable is unplugged. We will change the IP address of each computer. So manage the connection.
Let's edit settings.
Settings. Make it manual and type IP address 192.168.0.1. Then tab and OK. Set the other PC. Make it manual and type IP address 192.168.1.0.0. Okay. Let's use cross cable. Plug it to the LAN card.